Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this carrot and ginger cake. So if you're interested, keep watching. So you need eggs for this. I'm using 6 small eggs and then 1 cup of sugar, and I'm adding 1 cup of sunflower oil. You can use olive oil, you can use groundnut oil, just add oil. Then I have here grated carrot and ginger. Just add them together in the bowl and mix them up nicely. So mixer is not needed on this process. If you don't have mixer, you are good to go. Just mix them up nicely. Once I'm done mixing it up, next I'm going to be adding my vanilla flavor. So use whichever flavor that pleases you. This one is optional. So I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor and then I mix it up nicely. So guys, I'm not a professional cake maker, okay? For those of you that will come and ask me, what measurement do you use? I beg, I no be professional cake maker. So I have 2 cups of flour. I added my baking powder and baking soda. Mix them up, filter them, and then now I'm adding them into my mixture. So I'm going to mix it up nicely. Like I was saying, your girl dey learn o. No come ask me say which measurement you use. Na this eye wey I dey use put maggi and salt for soup. Now I carry dey do this one now. So I added the leftover one and then mix them all together until I can no longer see the white flour. So then I'm going to keep it aside and then pour it into the baking tray. So on this baking tray, you can see I have my non-stickable foil on it and I rub butter around it just to make sure everything is okay. Next, I'm going to be pouring the mixture into the baking tray. Once I'm done pouring it, I'm going to hit the baking tray on the table just to get out any excess balls, or I don't know how to call that one anyway, but you know what I mean. So that is it, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven until it becomes golden brown, just like this. Guys, look at it. It really came out nice. So guys, I'm just going to use my knife to remove it from the baking tray and then cut it and show you guys how it looks. I was so excited when I saw this cake. It really came out nice. This is my first time baking carrot cake. I never expected it to be this nice. But anyway, I try. So I'll just take out the baking paper and then place it on my chop board and then cut it and show you guys how beautiful this cake is. Oh, the cake really came out nice, eh? So I'm just going to cut this cake and then show you how beautiful the cake look inside. So guys, just take a look at this cake. Just take a look. I know say I no be professional, but I try, sha. It really look nice and very soft. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this cake in the comment section. See you all on my next video. And if you're new to this platform, please subscribe. Let's become one big family, okay? Bye.